Hi Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku of today. This time a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 threes. So why not start with the 3? 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 3 is here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for the 3 is here and there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for a 3 is here, here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then let me see, a 2 in this column, a 2 in the in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for a 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be here. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. One box left for the 8 should be this one. 2 missing numbers here for this big square, for the numbers 1 and 7. I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 7 and 4. I see here 7, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 in these two boxes. One box left for the 8 should be this one. Then 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Then let me see. Yes, a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers. I cannot fill this yet, I see, because those 2 missing numbers are 7 and 2. 7 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. It is 7 and 2. I need to wait for more information. I see here an 8 in the first row, an 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for an 8 is here or there. What I see here, an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be in this box or it could be in that box. So in this column, we have a 6 in one of these 2 boxes. In the last column, in this column, we have a 6 over there. So in the column between, the only 2 places for 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 3 is the 9. 7. Yeah. Yes. No, I'm missing 1 digit. Alright. Then 7 and 2. So these 3 numbers, those are 7 and 2. These 3 numbers are 5, 4, and 9. I cannot fill this yet. 5, 4, and 9. 5, 4, and 9. 6, 6, 6. 3, 2, 8. 7. 8 cannot be here. Yes, 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Yeah. Alright. Yes. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 there. I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7, 4, 5. Yes. We have there 1, 1, 1, 1. Two, 6, 7, 7, 5. I need a 5. I need a 5. I need a 5. So these 2 numbers are for this column, the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Here, the 8 and the 5. The 8 and the 5. Yes, but in this row, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, no 9 there. I see here 9, no 9 there. I see there 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. 8, 5, and 6. Yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. I see there 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be this one. Then we have here 8 and 5. This is also 8 and 5, the missing numbers. 8 and 5, alright. Then, these should be 7. These 3, 5, 4, and 7. 5, 4, and 7, no. I need to wait. 5, 4, and 7. 8. Can I? No, 8. Need to wait. How about the 6? 6 also. Here also the 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. Need to wait. The 2 should be here. 2, 2, 2, 2. The 4 should be here. Yes. 4, 4, 4, 4. These 3, 8, 5, and 7. Here can be. I need a 5 or a 7. 2, 2, 2, 2. Here could be an 8, there could be an 8. 1, 6, 3. No. Then we have a 4, 5, and 7. 4, 5, and 7. 7 should be here. No. 7. Here, 7 there, and 7, yeah. Alright. In this first row, 7 and 2, 7 and 2. So we have a 7 in the first row, a 7 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 7 must be here. Now I can fill this in the first row, 2 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 here, 7 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for the 7 is here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 2 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 8 and 5, we have an 8 there, or we have an 8 there, so no 8 here, 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5, 1 number left in this column for the number 8, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the third column, the only two places for an 8 is here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 5. One number left in this row for the number 4. One number left for this big square for the number 6. 3 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 4, 5, and 9. We have a 4 there, so no 4 in these two boxes. 4 should be there. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. So in the second row, we have also 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. One number left for this big square for the number 5. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then yes, 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. One number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 5 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. 1 number left for this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel. If you like or if you want, download a PDF file so you can make it by yourself or solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you later with the final Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. Thank you again and bye bye.